lined up, make sure it's tight, towards myself. And you get that perfect throw. There we go, that looks great. And so I'm gonna probably do 2 or 3 swings here. I just love it, it's so mesmerizing to watch. But we talked earlier about when to pull it when there's kind of a really thick band. So see how there's these cross hatching here? As this goes further, that cross hatching gets more and more like layers of paint, a lot thicker. That's where you're gonna pull the bucket. So it would be like, at this point, it'd be like right here. You cover your hand. I'm probably gonna mess it up just because I said that, but at least do, like I said, do as I say, not as I do. But yeah, this looks really nice. So there's kind of 3 throws here. One of them's kind of rare, but there's the, I believe it's like 30-degree angle throw, which is just kind of like here. If this is straight, it's like right about here. That's going to create this pattern where the oval rotates and it gets smaller and smaller. The second one is like the 15-degree angle, so almost straight. You never want to throw it very straight, it's just going to make a line. So 15-degree angle is we're going to do next. It's going to come together and be flat. So, and then the third one, 45-degree angle makes a circle. We'll talk about that later. This is where we're going to pull it. Probably going to mess it up like I said, but here we go. Hand there, 3, 2, 1. There we go. I pulled a little early, but you want to get it right here. Okay, second throw. That same thing I was talking about 15 degrees, so right here. There we go. And so another thing is changing up where you throw it, right? So if I always throw it here, it's gonna just make these huge splotches of paint right about here. And that's kind of what you don't want. You want everything to be, like everything spread out, right? So I'll do one painting where I'm over towards the top of the canvas, one from the side, and then one from the other side. And these thick parts will be in different spots. So what's happening here with this 15-degree angle throw, and sorry if I explain this really fast, it's a YouTube video so you can always rewind, right, is this in theory is going to come together and be flat in the middle. I don't think it is, but the 15-degree throw eventually is going to not have this circle at all. I'm not going to let that go. That doesn't make any sense. We could throw up a clip of one that we did, maybe that blue one, right? Yeah, so yeah, so that's the second throw. It's hard to explain when it's not happening, and that's the thing is like you never exactly know. I've been doing this for 2 years and I still don't exactly know what I'm doing, and that's okay, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this one now. Again, on this thick part, let's do a little bit better one here. Here we go. Never mind, the bucket's angled, so we're doing this side. Okay, so right on this line. Okay, of course I failed again. So another thing you can use is you can use a piece of cardboard just slip under there. Okay.
Yeah, I've tried my hand aimed toward board. And
unless you're the show pony, and then you just dip the cardboard in the painting.
Exactly. So third one is in between a 45-degree angle and 90-degree angle. So again, pull it towards yourself as you do it. You create that, it's still even wobbled here, but create that kind of more circular pattern. And so these were really long and skinny. This one's going to be a little bit wider and kind of tie together in these really interesting kind of like pointy bands that come in. These are a lot thicker, it's like a cross hatching. This one you'll see in a second when it shows up on the canvas. It comes together in this like, almost looks like 2 like sharp points moving closer and closer to the center. So it starts to show up like, if you want to zoom in like right here, see how it's like a really thin and skinny line that's being formed there? That's what I mean by like these points that appear. But yeah, this is all trial and error. I can only tell you so much as far as throws. It just takes practice, and what I love is that you let this dry, paint over it, do another one. That's how you kind of hone in your skills. That's how I've been able to do it. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to talk about. Now we're just going to let this roll. I'm about to lose my voice. I hope that all made sense. I'll kind of check in on the comment section as well. If you have questions, just send me a message, Lee. If there's a bunch of questions about it, I will answer as many as I can.
And you need to go to Cole's YouTube channel
Yeah.
Because they can come and just ask you questions direct.
True, and that's the only platform that I get notifications on. Everything else I've turned off. I still get them on YouTube, so I see all the nice comments from Massey Art Studio followers. You guys are seriously the most positive group of people I've ever seen in my life.
The Massey Posse are amazing.
Exactly, I love that term. Okay, so we're gonna pull this here. So let's see if we can get it right this time. I'm 0 for 2. Drum roll, please.
Yeah.
Nope, I didn't do it.
Okay.
Yeah, so when I think about it too much, it doesn't work. And that's the thing is like, the more you think about this, the less it's going to work. So just have fun with it. Don't overthink it. You can always redo it. And that clearly. So that's really it. Thank you guys for watching. Like, this has been my tutorial. And now let's cut to the outro.
Yay! Woo!